In this video, we'll learn how to knit a long stitch. Knitting long is often used to create elongated, decorative, lacy stitches, but it can also be used to add some extra yarn into the work in the edges of shawls that need some extra stretch. To knit long, insert your right needle as if to knit normally into the leading leg of the next stitch from front to back. Wrap the yarn as if to knit once, and then again, so that there are 2 loops on the needle. Some patterns may use 3 loops or more for a knit long, so pay attention to the pattern instructions. Pull both of these loops through the old stitch on the left needle and drop the old stitch from the left needle. The next time this stitch is worked, work into one of the loops and drop the extra loop from the needle. I'll go over that at the end of this video. Let's go through that twice more. Insert the needle as if preparing to work a knit stitch, and instead of wrapping the yarn once, wrap it twice before pulling it through the old stitch and dropping the old stitch from the needle. Let's go through that one more time. Knit the stitch, wrapping it twice, and pulling it through. On the next row around, you'll work into one loop of the stitch and drop the other, creating an elongated stitch rather than increasing a stitch. How do you know if it's a long stitch? Look for a stitch that has 2 loops right next to each other, with both legs coming out of the stitch below it. Work into one loop and drop the other loop to make a long stitch. Work into one loop and drop the other loop. Work into one loop and drop the other loop. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like new tutorials delivered directly to your inbox, sign up for our newsletter at knit.tips/news.